In fact, in honor of you, I just sued CBS today because of 60 Minutes. You know why I sued them? Because she was on, and it was called election interference fraud. Very simple. She answered a question. It was a question. She gave this long, crazy... If you read the answer, you would say there's something wrong with it. So you know what 60 Minutes did? Can you imagine them doing that for me? They took it was a very long answer. You just went on and on, just words. Didn't mean anything. 60 Minutes and CBS cut it all out. And they took another answer for a meaningless question and they put it up there. Do you know that, right? They put it up there. They took it and they put it up and they replaced an answer that would show that she's not qualified cognitively, as I would like to say. I think she should take a cognitive test. She's not qualified. They took it out in its entirety and they took another answer from